This was the first setup here. Okay, this is my first setup, but no, I'm gonna consider this buy zone. So let's share you. Ooh. Ah, first buy zone, right? This is first buy zone. This is buy zone 2. Okay, I'm gonna put buy zone 2. So, sorry. Since I'm splitting screen, buy zone 2. Good. Setup is active for this buy zone. Forward. Change. Change. Forward. Change. Okay, this setup is active. Where is my YouTube studio? Oh, I think I should be doing it here then. Some playing songs there. So this setup is active. Okay, I shared this setup to my community just this morning. And so hi, how are you doing, Mr. Rikeke, bro? Are you in? Yeah, I shared this setup in the community. I'm in already, which I said missed a cracker or something. I said I missed a cracker, so it did come back to the zone, okay, and triggered. So I'm in already. I'm in, and it's currently 100 plus pips. So after this setup, I still have buy zone 2. Okay, after this setup, now there's another buy zone 2 in case of incasity. You understand? So that's the reason. So let me share this YouTube. Well, today is gonna be too much for me because I'm trying to set up plenty things today. Trying to set up my OBS. I'm trying to set up my laptop. I'm trying to set up everything today. So this is just gonna be hell of something. So this is my laptop here. I think so. This is laptop for OBS. This is my monitor. This is another laptop for replying your messages on live. Okay, so welcome everyone. For those asking me if I'm in, I'm actually in. You can see it's real, right? I'm actually in exactly on 5084 and it's 100 plus pips. So it's 100 plus pips. That was the setup I shared with my community. Okay, said I'm gonna wait for good here. So setup is active with the community. Yeah. So and we are on break even already. So if we're gonna hit break even here, that's when I'm gonna now consider this buy zone 2. Okay. So it's just that this buy zone triggered. I'm on break even right now on that setup. And then I'm gonna be waiting for buy zone 2 in case after break even. Okay. So it's just a two-way trade today. So the setup is active. Where was it? I think when did I share this setup that I said missed the cracker? Okay, on 85 exactly. So I got that entry on 85, 85.16. That is the end inputs. 85. Why am I always tapping different things? That's the problem of having too many things. It's 516, okay? That was the exact setup I shared in my community. So I'm in, and it's currently for a sniper entry. It's currently 100 plus pips, and I'm on break even, okay? You can all see it's running 100 plus pips on break even for this setup. So after, if it's gonna give us at least 200 pips, take profits. Yes, 100 pips you can take partial, okay? 200 pips, take profits. Then if it's gonna come back to hit me on break even, then since we are live, okay, you're gonna consider this buy zone 2 right here on 50.66, exactly there. Meanwhile, Bitcoin on a 1 hour time frame, I hope it doesn't change here too. Meanwhile, Bitcoin, this setup was shared earlier this morning. It was also a buy zone 2 too for Bitcoin, currently running 2000 plus pips. This Bitcoin setup currently running 2000 plus pips. So break even, taking partial, and what have you. So just today we have two setups running. Gold is running 100 pips, Bitcoin 2000 plus pips, and then the third setup is buy zone 2 for also gold. So that is what we are waiting for today. Okay, so welcome everyone. Let's type it here. Let me see my TikTok studio. Am I currently? Let me close this TikTok studio before it mistakenly goes live. So welcome everyone. Don't forget to tap your screen, share, comment, give your honest idea. Okay, give your honest idea. So just like I said, almost on break even. Then we wait for this buy zone 2 on 66 here, right there. No need to panic. Gold is just a lover of liquidity. I pray we don't become the liquidity today for this buy zone 2. Gold is just a lover of liquidity. Okay, so, and for those asking why I'm on this buy zone 2, it's a 2 setup, so that's why I'm here, so that we can see when it will get there. Okay, so that we can see when it will get there. That's why I'm here, but I have set up here. You can see exactly here, which has not taken me out yet. Still in the setup, 100 plus pips. So if it takes me out on break even, that's when I'll consider this buy zone 2. Okay, so so welcome everyone. So let's be here. My TikTok viewers, click your screen, guys. Click, tap, like, share, comment. I think I like Sync Trading FX. Welcome. I think I'll be waving what is going on? Okay. I'll be back. I don't know. I think there's too much power. My house is consuming too much power. That's crazy. So, ew. Well, so I think everybody that is joining, I'll just be waving hi. Okay. Yeah, I'll just be waving high. Okay. I said I wait, let me join this. I think let me join and hear myself. I think do you where are you from? Okay, you're answering yourself. Where are you from? I'm from India. Let me see who was this. Do you know who is snipe trading? Snipe trading. Okay. He has the exact same zone as you every day. Oh wow, that's nice. Then that means we are seeing the same thing. So it's also nice to have traders seeing the same thing. So it means you're two good traders seeing the same thing. If he's good, then he's good. So also, I probably think he's good. So for me, I have two zones. Okay, so if we are sharing zone with anybody, it's not bad as long as it's gonna give us profits. And what I'm seeing, maybe he's seeing the same thing. That's why we have the same zone. So it's nice. So where should I be now? I need to check something. Why you being hot, bro? YouTube, 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 YouTube. I hope I'm not subscribed to anyone. No, I'm not. How can I join? Oh, you guys should try to be sensible sometimes. There are different platforms for different things. You can't be joining live to trade and then coming to ask about uh, unnecessary questions that you know what to do. Well, link in my bio. That's the order of the day. That's the saying of the day. Link in my bio. Message me on Telegram. I'm gonna reply you and tell you what to do. So it's just as easy as that. Nothing. Okay. So welcome everyone. 33 viewers. All 33 viewers, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. If you're not if you're not if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Let me see. I've been following you almost for a year and your performance is impressive. Okay, thank you. It's nice. I'm getting compliments like this. This is the motivation I love seeing because it keeps me going. Keeps me going. That's what keeps me going. This motivation. So still in the trade, still in the trade. 100 plus pips. Okay, 100 plus pips. Still in this buy trade. Also still in this Bitcoin buy trade. And this is just more like a backup trade. Okay, this is more like a backup zone. Okay, this buy zone 2 is more like a backup, not really my main zone. So just backup. Sell, my brother. But the issue is, the problem is, there's no one that cares about your opinion. If you feel like it's a sell for you, you can sell. Okay, me, I'm feeling like a buy. Although it's not as if I'm feeling, but I'm already in the trade. Running 100 plus pips, protected. So if you feel like you want to sell, then you're selling to my break even, or I'm buying and running profits to your stop loss. So it's just like that. Okay. So no one gives a damn thing about what you think about the market. Okay. The only thing I think about here is to make sure my setups I give live gives everyone profit. And if it fails, I think I've been on an impressive run. Very impressive. Think throughout this week, all my life, I don't think I've hit stop loss. Have I? Can't even remember when last we hit stop loss. Just that, I don't have time and all the effort keeping. Someone will say, performance in you, bro. I just joined your channel. Can you show me your performance of last 3 months, last month? Ah, there's no need for all those. That is kind of extra work for me. The work I even put to come live sits on the TV. The work I put to come live sits on the TV. I won't, because I'm already running. You will hit today, my guy. Don't worry. I won't, because I'm already running 100 plus pips. So you will be the one to hit today, okay? So I just wonder why some people are just against the hate and all those things. You just see somebody coming and just trying to be against you. What I see as that is just jealousy. Once you hate somebody just for no reason, somebody that is giving you setup, that is giving you profit, but you just decide to give him hate comments, hate speech, hate that. Someone I saw is some comments like, "There's no need for you to buy monitor. It's useless." It's not useless, because right now, if I can record my station right now, if I can record it, I have three things going on. This laptop here, this is laptop where I'm seeing all your hate comments. This is OBS here where I'm using to go live. I'm seeing everything. And then this is my monitor here where I'm seeing the whole chat very big. So you can't just tell me that I'm buying things for no reason. Okay. And then it's very surprising. Your work is to just join someone's live. Go make your own live, so that I'm very sure that none of those people, mostly those people that come to hate, are never traders. They are not ever traders. Those people are those ones. What just happened? Okay. Oh. Yeah, I think this is good. Let's reduce the font. Put you somewhere here. Come to the side. TF. Right, good. So that no one was gonna. So message retracted. Okay, so that I think this is good. So that no one will keep asking me time frame. What time frame is this? What that is that? What this is this? This is better now. Okay. So when I change it, anytime I change it, then let me see. Oh. So you are moving you now. You're just gonna be going. Okay. Let me see my TikTok people. What time frame is this, bro? Yeah, that's what I just did now. What? Oh. What time frame is this? It's 15 minutes time frame, please. So time frame. Okay, I think this person has been asking this time frame since he joined. Oh my god, you sent this like 50 times. Couldn't even see all this. Truly speaking. Oh, I'm live on TikTok, so I need to post my live video. Come on, Matt and Alex G. You guys should just stop disturbing my FYP with this Bugatti, and that's upgrade. So sick and tired of that. But that's my dream, though. So very soon we are gonna dream of buying Bugatti. So okay, please keep doing your thing. I'm rooting for you. Thank you. So we currently buying, right? Yes, we currently buying. Where's my phone? What am I doing? Have I forgot them? What? Oh. Oh. Hey, welcome. Let's type it. Welcome everyone. Think. Yeah, let me bring you here so that I can see you well. This is TikTok comments. Welcome. Oh, what did I spell? Everyone raw. So thank you for joining, guys. We're currently buying gold. Okay, currently buying gold right here. And aside just buying, we have a backup buy zone too. In case you get tapped out on break even for this. Okay. Oh, bro, how are you? Are you a trader? No, I'm a musician. I love singing. I'm a musician. Yeah, I love singing on YouTube. You can see I have mic. This is mic. And so I'm singing right now. You can tell me, I'll sing for you. So I'm a musician. Oh. Almost break even for this. Then we gonna switch to the backup buy zone. Okay, break even. Heat. So let's go to this. Break even. Come on, hit. Almost there. No, it's not a theater, it's a barman. No, please, I'm a musician. Some questions are just so funny. I'm a musician. You can see my mic. I'm singing right now in front of the camera. I'm singing for everyone to dance. Okay. So I've gotten break even on this setup. So right now we are switching to this. So we're gonna wait for this here. Set your buy limits to 50.66, guys. Okay, this is liquidity that is gonna be swept here. So gold is expected to sweep this liquidity and then come into here. So 50.66 is your buy limit. Set it there. It's not as if it's not as if this setup is a bad setup or whatever. But since it has given me first it skipped the zone, but up to like let's see like 500 pips. Then now it come back to the zone, but to like 100 pips, and still now coming back to the zone again. So it's no more valid for it to be playing around that zone for more than 3 times. It's just something else. It's no more valid. I can see inverted hammer candlestick here, so the setups and zone looks good, but for me I'll just have to wait for this right now. Buy zone 2, let's go. Don't forget to tap your screens, like, share, comment. YouTube is not getting enough. Why are you not getting an all? YouTube studio, you're not getting enough. Wow, it's poor. Let me see YouTube. Why is it poor? Practical news. I told you before. What did you tell me before? Tell me again, please. What did you tell me before? Okay, yeah, no, I don't think it's the one. Did he tell me anything? I can't remember. Tell me. What did you tell me? What did you tell me before? You are master know all. Your calculations was wrong. Okay, is that what you told me before? I master know all. Yeah, if it's in my live stream, I'm master know all because it's my live stream. So I'm the master in my live stream. Okay, you are a viewer, so you can't be knowing all in my own live stream. Okay, you want to know all as your master, do your live stream. Okay, so we almost head into the buy zone 2. I said it's going to sell. Oh, okay, nice. You sold, you made profit, nice. So your profit is my break even after 100 plus pips. It's nice. Okay, so no need to worry. Okay, if you guys are saying I told you to show us your profits from the sale you took, literally, I don't. Can you show screenshots on YouTube? No, I don't think you can show screenshots or picture. You can only comment. So I think both on TikTok and YouTube. So I don't think they can. So literally, those ones saying you told me, you told that, you did that. There's no need to tell me anything because I did explain. If it's gonna take me on break even on this, I'm just coming back to buy zone 2 as a backup. So there's nothing to be telling me you told me. And literally, even if you told me, This is break even, not even stop loss on the setup. Okay, it's break even. I have liquidity here. I'm expecting gold to go all the way to sweep, so it's break even, not even stop loss. So there's difference. Okay, and I don't know, there is difference. So welcome everyone again. Where am I? Oh, to YouTube studio. So once again, welcome to my live. Okay, it's my live, so I'm gonna say welcome everyone. Okay, okay, welcome. Don't forget to tap your screens, like, share, comment. Don't forget to tap your screens, like, share. Don't forget to tap your screens, like, share, comment. Support the live creator, support the live stream creator. You're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do come live every single day. Today is Monday, this is the first live of the week. We got 100 pips plus from the first setup and break even, and we are waiting for the buy zone 2. So instead of me saying buy zone 2, there's no need to call it buy zone 2 because it's not. It's now my buy zone. So let's put it as buy zone now. No more buy zone. Has it not? It has. So on both TikTok and YouTube, just got the number 2 viewer badge. Okay, with that, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting. I think I need to use lower voice now because I've been speaking since. So the only thing we need to have here is patience. Okay, why do I think this zone is much sweeter? This line you're seeing here, is liquidity. Okay, expecting gold to come sweep this liquidity, and after that liquidity where gold respected, there was a fair value gap to a support and also demand zone to that zone. So I expected for gold to respect those zones. Okay, who is this person that has been sending almost the same thing? What time frame is this? What time frame is this? Almost the same thing for more than 10 times. Bro, don't you get tired? Don't you get tired, bro? Can't we sell till buy zone? I don't really advise doing that. Yeah, it's good to sell to buy zone, but most of the time it's like chasing the market. So what if gold doesn't come to my buy zone? You'll be in loss. So it's like chasing the market. I don't like chasing the market. I told my community today, I said most of the time I usually lose. What's this? I said most of the time I usually lose on gold is when I don't wait for gold. Okay, when I try to chase good, those are the most times I usually lose. So, and then once I try to chase it without waiting for it to come to me, that's when I usually lose. This is a very strong support that good is just trying to react to. Okay, so we're just gonna keep looking. Moreover, for those laughing at this setup, you can see the zone is still much valid. You can see it. It has not even gone anywhere. After break even, it is just playing in the first zone there. So this is just break even setup. So what is gonna annoy me now is after break even, then it continue going up. So let's just be patient for this one. Okay. Do I be? Do I?
That next level you have been looking for is here at the Next Level Prayer Conference Nigeria with Pastor Bolaji Idowu on March 13th, 2026 at Tafawa Balewa Square, Lagos by 7 p.m. Experience the move of God in electrifying worship with Nathaniel Bassi, Mercy Chinwo Blessed, Bidemi Olaoba, Sunmisola Agbebi Okalaye, BBO, Mr. M in Revelations, Joshua Israel, and many more. Don't miss it. Don't miss your next level. See you there.
When will you do BTC live analysis? Oh, that's you're too late. If you're in my community, you know that I've already given Bitcoin setup already. That is running 2,000 plus pips at entry. Freaking sniper, like zero drawdown either. At just that zone. Pew. How did I get the zone? This is how I got the zone here. The zone, overlapping zone here. Got the zone just in between. Pew. And boom. 2,000 plus pips on Bitcoin. So there's nothing to analyze because I'm already buying already. So it's going. I'm expecting it to 74k, which might not be possible, but nevertheless, it's still good. So, and on this live again, I started this live with this setup, went 100 pips up to here, came back and took me out on break even. So I'm just gonna be looking at it right now, if it's gonna keep going up from there or come back to this buy zone and give us something to cherish today, guys. What's your Telegram name? My Telegram name is in my bio, link in bio. Anywhere you're looking for me, if you're looking for me anywhere, I'm so easy to find, so very easy to find, because I'm everywhere. I'm in every platform, same username, no difference, not even a hyphen change. Everything is the same. If you see my username right now on TikTok, you go to Facebook, you type that same username, you're going to see same thing. If you type on Instagram, you're going to see same thing. If you type on Twitter, X, you're going to see same thing. If you type on what again, Thread, you're going to see same thing. Which other one again? Okay, YouTube. You type on YouTube, you're going to see same thing, no difference. Hurricane FX hyphen. I'm still the same person. As if you see different thing with Hurricane FX 1, 2, 3 number on top, it's not me. I am not the person. Okay. So it's just me. The same. Everywhere. I'm just like everywhere you go, I'm still the person. Who can I buy BTC at oi. Who can I buy BTC at 6666? By the numbers can tell 6666. So it means it's a no for you. By the numbers, buying Bitcoin at 6666, you just know that you're going to die. Your account is you're gonna hit stop loss because the number sounds weird. 6666. 666. Too bad, too weird. Okay, so well, I don't know how long we are gonna be patient today to wait for this gold, because there's still this zone that gold has not broken yet. You can see it's still here. The gold just keeps reacting to, not wanting to pass them, and most at times, once there is so much compilation here of candlesticks, these moves always give minimum 300 pips. This move from all these kind of zones, it always give minimum 300 pips. Okay, I think let me give my community a sell entry on there. I'm just gonna risk. Stop loss is gonna be on 5100, so I'm gonna sell exactly here on. I'm gonna try taking some risks here, just impatient entry. I'm gonna sell. Where is my short value? Come on, get off my screen. So I'm gonna try selling. I'm just gonna risk. Where is it? Come on, come here. Gonna sell inside here. My stop loss is just gonna be above here. Okay, so 60 pips stop loss. Come on. going to tell my community to take that sell there, and then we're going to target our buy zone here. So shifting you here. So I'm going to sell here, waiting for it to get into that stop loss here, 60 pips stop loss, and take profits of 270 pips. Ooh, I think it's gonna leave me behind. Price levels. So I'm gonna sell gold there. Let me share it to my community. FXCM. Oh, now I was literally waiting for you to at least come here. So like I said, anything like this zone here, you can see this compiled candlestick just going up, down. Once it comes back into those zones, either in every, this is also a good type of entries, either in gold, any time frame, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Once it comes here, the next move to the down or upside is always 300, up to 300 pips. That's how it always happens. Up to 300 pips. Always. So which is why I said I'm selling there. Okay. If I sold there, 70 pips to 300 pips. Always. It always happens like that. Take profit of 300 pips. It always does like that. So you see it. You see it. You're looking at it right now. What time frame are we on? We're on 5 minutes time frame, right? You're not talking about BTC. There's nothing to talk about BTC actually, because I've already even set up on BTC already. So since this is my buy zone, I'm gonna be targeting there. So look at that fall. Look at the fall from here. Well, I did say I'm selling there, so I did enter with my account on a very good account. Did enter, and it's currently running. Wow, almost 100 pips. So every time all this compiled candlestick is just like liquidity. Once it happens in either 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks compiled in the same place, both buying and selling, just buyers and sellers fighting. And if it comes back to react in that same zone again, I usually expect gold to fall 300, 200 pips minimum from that zone. 200 pips minimum. Are you in the sell? Yes, I'm in the sell position. I said I'll be selling. I entered, although I was waiting for it to get to 94, but then I entered at 90 when I said I'm gonna be selling since it has come back to the zone. Entered at 90. It's just like from 90.6 to 85. It's just like 50 pips currently running. Okay, but minimum 200 pips from this kind of zones for gold. It usually happens on gold. Just go. You can backtest this as a strategy. Either 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. It usually works that way. When you see 5 candlesticks fighting on each other, you see this one buying, selling, buy, sell, 5 on each other. And once gold breaks out of those candles that are fighting and struggling, buyers and sellers, if it comes back to test into that zone, it usually sells at least 200 to 300 pips every single time. And also, if it doesn't go the other way around, it comes back to break for buy. It usually tap in and boom, gives just the both ways, either buy or sell. It usually gives minimum 200 pips. Okay, so let me give my community this setup. This is gonna be risking 70 pips, right? So it's nothing more. 70 pips is more for its stop loss bar. It's good for the risk to reward ratio. Targeting 300 pips to 70 pips is a very good risk to reward ratio. Okay. This is where I'm gonna wait for it out of here. Let me wait for it right here. Good. Sharing to community. So good here. So of course we are waiting for our buy zone, and also we are waiting for sell entry. Okay, selling here at 94, stop loss 60 pips, take profit 280 pips. Okay, so it's just like that. Patience is the key. Yeah, patience is always the key. If you're not patient with gold, I always say this, the only time I usually fail on gold, that gold usually hits me very well, is when I'm not patient. Anytime I wait for gold to come to me, come to my zone, usually make profits. But when I want to chase gold, I want to follow it because I feel it's going there, it's selling, I want to follow it, it's buying, I want to follow it. That's when I get hit. But anytime I wait for gold, it usually comes to me and gives me profit. So if it's gonna come to us, I'm not risking more. 60 pips is more for some people. It's also more for me, so I'm just risking 60 pips for this sell entry. Let's see if we can wait for it to get there, and then targeting 280 pips. So if I'm targeting 280 divided by 60, this is a 4.6 hour setup. Let's just say approximately 4-5 hour setup. Okay, and I said because of this thing that happened here, once gold taps into any of the zone it has done, it usually gives minimum 200 pips on the zones like this. So let's just see what's gonna happen. Okay, so for someone asking if I can sell to the buy zone, yes you can. But if you're gonna enter here, your stop loss is gonna, if you're entering at 590, yes I entered at 590. You're entering at 590, your stop loss is gonna be at 5110, which is 100 pips, is much. So if you're gonna wait for it to come to 594, your stop loss is gonna be 60 pips, which is lesser. But then if it leaves you behind from here and continue falling, you've missed it. Oh my god. What stock are you watching? I don't really trade stock. Okay, I don't trade stock. I don't even know about stock. I don't even have a single stock in my wallet or bought any stock. I don't even trade. I only trade gold and Bitcoin. Before I was trading other currency pair, but I got tired of them, so I decided to concentrate on one. I decided to concentrate on one and on two pairs, actually, not one, Bitcoin and gold. Okay, so I'm concentrated on just those two for now. Sup, my G? I'm from SA. What pair are we looking at? We are looking at golden pair. Gold spot US dollar, gold. XAUSD. You can say XAU, you can say XAUUSD. That's what we're looking at. And right now, it's 50 points per person. And right now, it's waiting for this zone per person to see if we can get a sell to this zone, risking just 60 pips. Well, it's almost an hour on this live, so I've been so patient and overly patient. I'm getting out of patience and getting tired for good to get into this zone. Because why am I getting tired? The first zone I had on good, which is this, you can see the first zone here. Look at it. First buy zone was this. It gave 100 plus pips on 15 minutes time frame and decided to reverse back and take me out on break even. So after he took me out on break even, I said, now let's wait for the next buy zone, which is the backup. So as it stands now, it's still trying to play inside the first setup I had and not wanting to come into the second setup. So now I have a sell entry here, a stop loss just above here, 60 pips. So let's see if we are gonna get something from the market today. Excellent. Excellent. Oh Lord, your name is excellent. Patience, patience, patience is the key. It's detected non-activity in your live studio. Okay. That's TikTok for you. It's back, right? I think TikTok is back. TikTok is back. Okay, so almost in the sell entry. Almost there. Almost there. Are we gonna get 60 pips out today and end this live today on 60 pips, or get a tap and sniper entry into profit? So let's see. I don't just want. Which one is better? Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer a missed entry, a break even, or stop loss? Which one do you prefer? Your entry getting missed and then going and leaving you behind, or you got an entry, started going, come back, hit your break even, and continue in the right direction. That's break even. Or you get the entry and it hits your stop loss and it hits your stop loss and keeps going. Swami Sekira. Oh, it has tapped it. Okay, setup is active. Let's see what we have. You can see what a good entry. Sniper entry. And 94, right? And this is how many pips? 30 plus pips. What a good sell entry. Let's go, boys. 30 plus pips. Let's go. Let's go. Let me see what I have here. In 5 minutes. That's some freaking sniper there. Freaking sniper entry. Freaking sniper entry. Wow. Damn. I love that. Let's go. Let's go. I love that entry. I love it. Are you in this trade? Are you in this sell trade, guys? I love it. So I think it's best to protect it, right? Because that's like 40 plus pips. I think it's best to protect it. You, this Jensky, do you want me to time you out or something? Why do you keep sending the same thing? How can I just mute him for like 5 minutes, please? Why do you keep sending the same thing? Are you not tired? Yeah, I know I need engagement, but not the same thing over and over again. Yep, I didn't drop it for my community. I dropped it for my special community, bro. Okay? So, what do I need to drop it for community when I dropped it on live? When I said I'm selling there on live, why do I need to still drop it in the community if you're on the live? So, setup active and 40 pips. Let's go. I'm going to protect my entry. 40 plus pips. I'm gonna protect my entry. Protect. Why do I need to drop it in the community when you're on the live? And I've said I'm selling there when it comes there, and I explain why I'm selling there because of the things that I saw there. So are you in this trade? W's in the chat. W's in the chat. What a sniper entry, guys. That's a freaking sniper entry. What a freaking sniper entry, bro. I just casually, should I say casually? It should be casually. Just drop the setup and said I'm going to sell here when it gets here. So patience was the key. Anybody that said that patience was the key, I have... Well, anybody that said patience was the key is sweet of you, because patience is truly the key, guy. It's truly the key. Patience was the key. So if you were patient enough, you would have gotten the setup exactly as it is. So bro, this is currently how many pips is this? 89. That's 60 plus pips. Sniper entry, guys. Sniper entry. Live setup sniper entry. Let's share it to the general community, okay? Or shared live. Or shared live. So sniper entry, I'm protected. Let me set break even in case it's gonna reverse. So you can see right on zone sniper, not even a single drawdown, and from there all the way down to 88, that's 60 plus pips and protected. So if it's gonna come back hit break even, I'm risk free already. So congratulations to everyone that took the setup. Okay, congratulations for everyone that took this sell entry on sniper. Congratulations. Let's get ready for what? Sell. Get ready for shorts. Okay, I'm on break even already, so risk free. So I don't need to get ready for anything again. Okay, because I'm risk free. So there's a probability it might just decide. Break even hit. I don't like this. Don't hit my break even and start selling. I'm gonna be hard. I am gonna be angry. It's better you hit my break even and continue buying than hitting my break even and then start selling. I'm just gonna be mad. So I'm out, guys. It has hit my break even. 60 pips on break even is not bad. So good has hit my break even on this setup. I'm out. I'm out. So what is gonna annoy me now is coming back to hit my break even and then start selling again. It's better you hit my break even and continue buying. I'll be happy because I'm saved. It hits my break even. But I don't want you hitting my break even and then start selling. Okay, so this setup is a break even setup. So meaning literally this buy zone I had here was so much valid. Look at that setup. This was the first setup we had on live. This setup here was the first setup I had on live. So guys, I'm tired. Sell entry hits break even after 60 plus flip. This was the main buy zone and it's currently moving well. So with this, thank you for joining this live, bro. I'm tired. That's 1 hour 10 minutes. I think I need to rest, bro. I need to rest. I'll come back when this zone gets back to the zone again. So see you guys on the next one, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Tired. Thank you for joining.